So you might have seen along here in Australia on social media, living and loving Jamaica. Samuel Zinzanzif is a traveling cinematographer who began exploring the world in 2024 and eventually decided to relocate to Jamaica. Here he is. Morning, sir. Welcome to Smile. How are you?
Good, thank you. How are you?
That kind of complain. Give thanks. What go on?
Midday. Did I say that right?
That don't bad.
Tell me about traveling the world in 2024. So what were you doing before that and why did you decide to just get up and travel the world?
I'm glad you asked. So, in 2024, at that point, I was doing real estate and I had my own business. I was doing real estate for about 5 years. And I felt like I just wasn't really following my true potential. Like I wasn't doing what I was meant to be doing. And I've always wanted to do cinematography. I've always wanted to film. And I'm very much passionate about making documentaries and just filming day-to-day life. So originally, I knew I was going overseas and I knew I was going to end up in Jamaica, but I started in the South Americas. So I went to Brazil. I was supposed to be in Brazil for 2 weeks. Ended up staying there for like 3 months. Then I went to Medellin, Colombia, stayed there for I think nearly 2 months, then went down to the Amazonas. I was in the Amazon for like a month or so. And then...
In the jungle?
I was in the jungle.
By the way, were you a good real estate? Were you doing well in real estate?
I'd like to think so, yeah.
No, yeah, you did?
Oh, yeah, like, I'd like to think so, yeah. I did what I did, but it just wasn't really for me. Like, I felt like I was very... Like, I convinced myself that I needed a really good career and that, you know, I wanted to set myself up, you know.
This wasn't your thing.
Yeah, it just wasn't for me. Like, it had a lot of good lessons that I learned from it, but it didn't fill my soul, you know what I mean?
You look like an outside guy.
I am an outside guy.
Like in a suit and
I like walking around, I like talking to people, I like frolicking, doing my thing.
So Amazonas to where?
Then I went from the Amazonas to Cali, Colombia. I was in Cali, Colombia for a few weeks, and then I made my way to Jamaica. Okay. But the first time I was in Jamaica, I was really burnt out, I was really tired, because I'd been traveling for quite some time.
You're traveling alone, by the way?
Yes.
All this you were doing by yourself?
Just me, bro.
And you're staying where?
Anywhere that would let me stay there.
Okay.
I just need a roof over my head, a little bit of water, and I'm good.
That you should have stayed in the Amazonas. So you came to Jamaica. Where did you come to when you came to Jamaica?
I came to Kingston, and then I was out in St. Thomas, and I met two dudes that were very important for my journey here, Russ Democco and my boy Russ Fire. And so they invited me out to their place. We got along really, really well. I was just doing a bit of farming, living off the land. And then I had to go back to Australia I had to go back at some point. And then I got to Australia and I was like, I was pretty bored. So I was like, I need to go back. And they invited me back to theirs.
What did you hear, what did you know about Jamaica before you came here?
I'm going to be honest, I didn't really know too much. Like, I just knew, like, something just told me I needed to go here. Like, I literally, that's pretty much it. Like, I didn't really, like, obviously I've heard reggae, like, I've heard, you know, like, I had a little bit of an understanding, but really not too much. I just knew in my heart and my mind that I wanted to come here. That's it. Like, that's all I knew.
So, Amazonas, Medellin, Cali, and you decide that this is a place where you want to stay. What was it about Jamaica? What is it about Jamaica that made you think, I'm going back?
It's just fun. Like, it's really fun. Like, it's free. Like, it's really freeing. Like, God, like, it's very different. Like, culturally, it's very different to Australia. And I find just Jamaicans, you guys are funny. Like, you guys are fun. You're funny.
Tell me some of the differences.
Oh, God, how long do we have? But, so, well, mainly, like, culturally, it's very, very different. Like, so, just in terms of, like, freedom and stuff, like, what I find in Australia, everything's very, and I love Australia, but it is very strict. Like, everything's very, very enforced. You wouldn't just go around Australia and see a mango tree or an ackee tree or a banana tree just growing. You would, like, it's not easy to find.
You have to go to the market to get...
Yeah, you got to go to the supermarket, go to the market. Just anything, like, you got to pay for parking. Anywhere you go, you got to pay for it. Like, it costs you money. If you want to renovate your house or do something to a property that you own or you're paying for, you got to get approval. And
we have to do that here too, sir.
I know, but it takes like a year and a half.
Oh, yeah. It'll probably take longer.
Like, it takes a long time in Australia. Like, and so I just find that it's just, it's here. It's a lot more freer. I feel like people are just. I like the energy.
I find it so interesting that you're in the urban areas because folks come and they settle on the coast or where the beaches are or you're in the heart of the activity. Like you're in
Vineyard Town.
Almost in Vineyard Town, my friend.
Yeah.
Like, why?
Well, I just feel like that's just where the experiences are. Like I find that a lot of people, they will go to these places and they'll stay in like resorts and stuff. But how do you experience like a place like that when that's not really the lifestyle of what people live? You know what I mean? Like, when I was in Rio or Colombia and stuff, like I'll stay in the barrios and in the favelas and stuff because I find that's where majority of the people live. Like not everyone lives in resorts and rides around on jet skis and.
So this is it now? Your travels have ended?
I wouldn't say that, brother.
Yeah.
I'd
You wouldn't say that.
Like for now, like I see myself being here for the foreseeable future, but I feel like I'm a traveller. Like I'm someone I like to move around. I like to learn. I like to see new things and be stimulated. So
you've opened a Jamaican bank account.
So yeah.
You can cook curry goat and fried chicken?
Can I cook curry goat?
And oxtail?
Say less.
Oh, say less.
Yeah.
No, but wait a minute. Now you're really one of us. Learn Jamaican nicknames. Tell me 2 Jamaican nicknames you've learned.
Oh God. Well, Browning.
Brownie.
I hear a lot of people call Browning. I thought it was Brownie, but then I was told that it's not Brownie. That's people call Brownies dogs. But Browning or Brown Man. What am I? I get called White Man or I get called Jesus. And then
Which one you like?
I like either of them. Either of them doesn't worry me.
You like Jesus?
I'll take it.
You were here for Melissa.
I was.
Oh my gosh, what was that like for you? First time you had ever
It was
experienced?
scary. Like, it was scary. Like, I was very lucky where I was. Like, obviously didn't get it that bad, but it was just what do you call it? Like the anticipation of it. Mm-hmm. Like everyone's saying, oh, it's this. Like everything's going to be mashed up, I guess. Mm-hmm. But we're relatively lucky in comparison to like St. Elizabeth and Westmoreland and stuff. Yeah. But it still was scary because you just don't know what's going on. Mm-hmm. So you're trying to
Is your dad cooking right here?
Of course,
Where?
him.
Yeah, that's me. How good's that? How good's that?
We don't know because we didn't taste it.
No, you could smell it though, probably from there.
Oh man,
So apart from Medea, what else you know in Patois?
what's the Scotch bonnet, Julius?
I know a lot. I know quite a bit.
That's fit for morning
I think a few of them. Yeah, I don't know if it's appropriate.
Exactly. So let's not even. Let's not do it.
We have to go because we have news. Great to meet you.
That's a pleasure.
Have some
to
fun
meet you
while
guys.
you're here, Stacey.
Where are you in social?
Say that again.
What's your social media handle?
Zinzanzif.
Zinzanzif.
Zif.
And by the way, that's his real name, by the way.
It's not.
Yeah, it is. My name's Samuel Zinzanzif, but Samuel.
Yeah.
Yeah, by the way, that Australian talk.
True word.
Listen, Zinzanzif. Second edition of News in 5 comes up now. Stay with us, please. Soon come.